In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize team tasks in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll first want to open your Wrike workspace. Navigate to your team's space. For this example, let's say it's labeled as the marketing team space. Once you're in, look for the specific project folder you want to work with, like our example ad campaign. This is where your journey of organization truly begins. Next, we'll switch to the board view. You can do this by clicking on the board view option located in the top tabs of your workspace. Now, this is a great feature because it transforms your list of tasks into a visual representation, resembling a Kanban board. You'll see columns for to do, in progress, and done. This makes tracking the progress of your project not only easier, but also more engaging for you and your team. Now, let's organize the files associated with your project. Move over to the Files tab. Here you can see all the attachments tied to that particular project in a centralized view. It's really important that we don't miss any files. So click on the File View Filter drop-down and select All. This way, you ensure nothing is hidden away and every important document is right at your fingertips. Once you've got your files organized, it's time to manage custom views. If you want to create a tailored list or board that fits your specific needs, click on the Add View option. This allows you to customize how your tasks and files appear. However, if you accidentally open this section and decide you don't want to make any changes, don't worry. Just click Cancel and you'll return to your workspace without saving anything. Now let's talk about another smart feature: filtering by upload date. This is particularly handy when you have a lot of files and need to find the most recent ones quickly. Go ahead and click on the Filter option within your Files section, then select the Upload Date option. By doing this, your project assets will be reordered, placing the newest files right at the top of the list. This saves you from digging through older attachments, which can be a real time saver when deadlines are looming. Remember, organizing your team tasks in Wrike is all about making your workflow more efficient and collaborative. By utilizing board views, managing files, creating custom views, and filtering effectively, you can ensure your projects stay on track and that your team remains aligned. And that's it. You now know how to effectively organize your team tasks in Wrike. This streamlined approach can vastly improve your productivity and help keep everyone in the loop. Don't forget, if this tutorial has helped you out today, please consider subscribing